Othel Wallace, the man convicted of killing a Daytona Beach police officer, is set to be sentenced at the end of this month. But now his attorneys are asking for a sentence lower than 10.6 years.
WESH 2's Volusia County reporter Pamela Combe caught up with one expert about the upcoming sentencing hearing.
Othel Wallace was initially facing first-degree murder of a law enforcement officer, but was found guilty of a lesser charge.
I think the jury looked at the facts of the case very closely, and I believe that they determined that Mr. Wallace was not solely responsible for the outcome.
Later this month, Othel Wallace is set to be sentenced. But now, in a motion filed by defense attorneys, they argue Wallace should receive lower than the 10.6 minimum prison sentence set by state guidelines.
I think it's something the judge should consider, obviously followed by probation to make sure that Mr. Wallace, maintains his right to stay amongst us.
I spoke with Wallace's attorneys on the phone. One of them says Wallace's family members will take the stand and talk to his character during the sentencing hearing. Prosecutors will take a different approach.
The prosecution is going to have a lot of law enforcement in the courtroom, right? They're going to try that show of solidarity that an officer's life was lost.
As for what experts think the sentence will be,
I think the judge is not going to agree to everything the defense wants, and it's going to balance it between what the state wants. I presume they're going to ask for 30 years and what the defense wants. So I think we're looking at a sentence 15, maybe 20 years, followed by probation.
In a letter to Judge Zambrano on the issue, Volusia County Sheriff Mike Chitwood asked him to ensure Othel Wallace is held accountable under the maximum penalty allowed by law. In Volusia County, Pamela Combe, WESH 2 News.